Hi everybody, tonight we are making some delicious salt and pepper prawns, or salt and pepper shrimp as you call it. Wow, look at how beautiful that looks. It's very quick and easy to make. We just need to cut off the whiskers and legs of the shrimp, clean them, marinate them with some cornstarch, deep fry them, and then give a good stir fry with some spicy ingredients. And then you get some of this deliciousness over here. So guys, let's get cooking, and I hope you guys like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin. Hey guys, I got my shrimp over here, shrimp or prawns. Just going to devein the shrimp. Okay, so first thing we're just going to trim off the shrimp's legs and whiskers over here. Make sure you trim it off nicely, just like that guys. So you see, you just trim off the legs and all that, and then next you're just going to at the back, just cut the back just like that. Cut the back, and then you can see over here there is a vein, shrimp vein over here. Okay, so you just get a toothpick. See that vein? Okay, so here's the vein over here. Okay guys, I'm just going to do it for the rest of this shrimp over here, and then we can start making the shrimp. I'll show you guys just a little simple marination for the shrimp before we do the stir fry. Okay guys, so I just cleaned my shrimp over here in the water, and now I drained the water. I didn't pat dry the shrimp, but as long as you just drain the water, it's okay. Okay, so first we're going to sprinkle some salt. I don't want you to add like a teaspoon of salt, or else it'll become too salty. The best is to use a salt sprinkler. Just give a good sprinkle all around, just like that. Next, we also going to sprinkle some white pepper. So just give a good sprinkle of white pepper also, all around. Next, I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. These teaspoons are small, so it's like half a teaspoon, so just 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. We'll drizzle a little bit of Chinese rice wine. We'll drizzle some sesame oil all around. And now we're going to add in some cornstarch. I'm adding in 2 heaped teaspoons of cornstarch. Let me just make it 3 teaspoons. Depends on how much prawns you have. But I like my prawns to be coated nicely with the cornstarch. Now we're just going to get a glove. Just mix this all up. Okay guys, as you can see, after I mix it up, you can see there's like a batter coating. So you would want to add in more cornstarch, because you want very crispy prawns once we fry this up. So I'm going to add in extra cornstarch, maybe 2 more teaspoons. Okay, just give that a mix again. Okay, it's fine now. I'm just gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes. Now let's just prepare some vegetables. Over here, we got a tablespoon of crushed garlic. So this is just store bought, or you can just use fresh. And then over here, I got 1 small little chili. If you want it very hot, you can add 2 to 3 chilies, but just 1 small chili is enough. Then over here I got a 1/4 of a small bell pepper chopped into smaller pieces, and also I got a little small onion over here chopped into smaller pieces. So this is all the ingredients that you'll need for this shrimp over here. Okay guys, first we're going to deep fry our prawns for like a minute or 2. Just slowly layer it in the hot oil, and then we can just lift it out once it's done. Just keep an eye on the shrimp, because it burns up very quickly in the oil. So my oil is at medium heat. Just keep it there. I'm just going to lay a few shrimps at a time in the oil. Give a good deep fry. Okay, you can feel the shrimp over here is very crispy from the cornstarch. Okay, just for a minute it should be done. Lift these out. Wow, look at that. You can see I'm just using a little bit of oil, so once the oil is done, we can dump it away. Okay, so I'm just going to deep fry all the shrimp and then we can do the stir fry. Okay guys, so here's my wok. This stir fry has to be quick, so preheat your wok very hot. Then we're going to add in some oil so that we can stir fry our veggie ingredients so that the flavors can come out. Give the wok a little rinse here. I'm going to first pop in this onions over here. Just pop in the garlic as well. And the chilies. And also the green bell peppers. Give this a good stir fry. We're going to stir fry this for about a minute so that the chili flavors and everything can pop out of here. Okay, so we're just going to give it a quick sprinkle of salt, a little quick sprinkle of white pepper because it's salt and pepper prawns here. Okay, add in a little bit of sugar. Okay, give it a little stir fry here. Okay, it's ready. You can smell the fragrance coming out. Now we can pop in our fried prawns. There's a little bit of light soy sauce. And that's it, guys. I'll just toss the prawns with this spices and ingredients over here, and then the dish should be ready. We're gonna pan fry this until the shrimp bodies is a bit dry, and then this dish is ready to be served. Let's make the prawns, shrimp. Wow guys, look how beautiful that looks. That's why you don't want too much ingredients like bell peppers and onions. If you overstack the veggies, it will cover all the prawns and stuff. So just a little bit of that chopped up onions and bell peppers should do. And look at how beautiful this dish looks. Okay guys, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's time for dinner.